Wait, I gotta do a video.
Everybody's fascinated.
You know what it is? It's really loud in here, so I'm gonna talk really, really loud for you guys. We're at
the Princess of R&B.
We're at Johnny D's Waffles, and I was dying to try this place. So let's check it out. I've ordered the famous red velvet waffle along with the jambalaya omelet. So I am really excited to try it. Sis and I were just dying to try this breakfast spot. So let's check it out. Let's check it out. Come eat with me, guys. Okay, folks. So here is my red velvet waffle. This is Kenzie's, her fruit platter. And now I'm just waiting for my omelet. Okay, trying to have a waffle with this rebellious 15-month-old is something else, but let's try it. Okay, mama. Here we go. That is good. Big portion. No way I can eat all this. But it's not. It's really good. Not too sweet. There we go. Let me show you my jambalaya omelet. Wow, this thing is huge. Jambalaya omelet, grits. Let's try this. That's good. Well worth it.
The next day.
Okay, so we've arrived at, dare I say, seafood and steak buffet. Now, the reality is this. I've never been keen on buffets, neither has she.
Oh, this is a buffet.
But what we're gonna do, is, I know how to get these people. Literally, I'm asking for everything fresh. If I'm going to pick something up on my plate, I want to see it just come out the kitchen. It just came out the kitchen. So literally, like anything that I eat is going to have come out the kitchen. So let's see how I maneuver, hopefully without ripping anybody into two pieces. So not only is it going to be 30 people with us, but I'm going to attempt to pull this off without insulting people and eating healthy. So let's see how it goes. And we have arrived.
Yeah.
Do y'all see the troublemakers? Table number 2 is the troublemakers as well. We're not gonna name no names, we're just gonna show faces. That's it. Troublemaker number 3. Are we sitting here? Well, this alleviates some of my fear because everyone's using gloves. That alleviates some of the fear. So we can't block the way, my bad.
Where you at? Put gloves on.
My bad, boss. Okay, people. The current situation is crazy. I am struggling, trying to eat with her in my hand and gloves and this and that. I got Yoga Babe feeding me shrimp and de-shelling my shrimp for me. And my darlings, shrimp. Butter. Not gonna lie, that shrimp is good. Okay. Because this is so hard, I got 20 when I'm done. Maybe finish their food. They on dessert. They just started over there. Oh, help me. We're out of here. Yes. So we came in. Oh my God. We came in. Okay, we came in completely dressed and looking cute. I'm leaving looking flushed and a mess. Megan was half this. She completely destroyed this place, and she's laughing now. She destroyed this place. Hey, Jew. Hey, Jew.
How you doing?
All right, so we're leaving. Kenzie, enough.
We need the address for the track. Where's the track?
So honestly, you know, what did you think of the food,
I
sweetheart?
thought the food was delicious, and I was rather shocked because it's buffet food, and I was like, it was everything was fresh. Salads was really good. Had about 2 plates.
I thought the food was good, the crabs were good, the potatoes were good, and the desserts were good too.
Straight from the lips of Gia. I actually thought everything was fresh as well. You know, believe it or not, guys, you know, not all buffets are horrible. I mean, they kept bringing, well, they kept refilling all the, make it right. They kept refilling all the dishes. I did think everything was super fresh. It did give me some comfort, the fact that the minute I walked in, everybody had to put on gloves, and they were very, you know, they took all the precautionary measures to prevent anyone from getting sick. So it wasn't that bad. It really, truly wasn't. And I was rather impressed.
I was rather impressed.
I was, being that it was a, and honestly, well, for the price, it certainly shouldn't have been bad, because it was about $70 per person. So it was. I mean, you expect a buffet to be pricey when seafood is included, but it was fresh. I really have no complaints.
Yeah.
Apparently, the ribs were super.
Slide right onto Broadway Street, then use the middle lane to turn left onto North Oak Street.
Hold on, that navigation messed us up. We gotta go to the slide right. So, anyways, apparently the ribs were super good. I got none. And you know, I looked at the ribs and said, I want to try one, but then I was like, okay, I don't need any beef. So that sucked, because I was like, oh, okay. Oh, it was pork ribs? Either way, I looked at the ribs and was like, I don't need the meat. But I ate a lot of seafood. The girls were complaining about their shrimp, and honestly, I had
Delicious.
I had the seasoned shrimp. Well, I had fried shrimp too.
I think it was the best. I think it was the best, because when I got the shrimp,
Must have been, because when I had the shelled shrimp, it was excellent. I had Courtney peel it for me, Yoga Bay, aka Yoga Bay. I had her peel it for me, and I was dipping it in butter, and I was in heaven. The crab legs were also amazing.
Fresh okra.
The crab legs were good. Oh, the fried okra was really good. The fried okra was really, really, really good. The fried okra was really good. The fried scallops are really good. I know a lot of fried food. I don't normally eat like this, folks, okay? This is vacation. The fried crab was also good. The fried frog legs were also good.
Use the middle lane to turn left onto North Oak Street, then continue straight to stay on North Oak Street.
I had about 3 because your mother influenced me negatively. So the frog legs were good. She was like, try a frog leg. I was like, oh my God, Ma, really? But the frog legs were good. So overall, I mean, don't never judge a book by its cover. That's the moral of the story. Never judge a restaurant by its cover. Don't judge all buffets. They took all the measures necessary to keep people safe. It was good. Get a review from me. So Seafood World, hats off. Hats off, Seafood World.
I was a problem, they didn't care till I made it where I'm at. Said I would fail, there was no chance till I made it where I'm